Hello everyone, today we continue our lecture. Today we talk about the two sections, okay? beng and beng. In beng have the three characters, okay? Tone have two characters. The third tone have the one character. This is beng, this is beng. And we'll talk beng. Beng have four characters in the song beng, okay? The first character is one, beng. The third has one, beng. And fourth has two, beng, okay? So we start from the beng, okay, beng. This is beng. So this word has two parts, okay? It's the left part. Left part means tie, okay? This part means collapse. The king died, okay? Emperor died. So when the king dies, they use the clothes wrap the body, so prevent the corrosion. So his first meaning is the medication clothes to prevent corrosion. Okay. The second meaning is tied with a rope or belt. Okay. The third meaning is the first rope clothes in a straight state. A first meaning to maintain musical tension. Beng. This is beng. Okay, you see the building collapse. Okay, so the mountain collapse. So his left part means up high. The right part means friends. Okay, it's friends. It's a mountain. Okay, it's a mountain. Friends. So the mountain chance landslide. Okay, mountain chance landslide means beng. Okay, first meaning is mountain chance collapse crack. Second meaning means a large area unstoppable collapse crack outburst. Okay, beng. This is another beng. Talk about this. Ready. This is beng. Okay, beng means run. So this work has three parts. Okay, so this part is like a left foot. Okay, so this part is like your arm. When your arm is waving, when you're jogging. Okay, this part is 3 feet. Means when you escape, you run across the run. Okay, run together to escape. Okay, it means beng. The first meaning across run in a road to escape. Okay, second meaning split gallop. Second meaning run towards the goal. First meaning fast wild. This is beng. I mean stupid. Okay, that's beng. So the top part means bamboo. The bottom part means body. The okay, meaning means made out of the bamboo. Okay. So with the first meaning bamboo body. Okay. Second meaning inflexible, slow, response and inflexible. Okay. This is beng and basic. Okay. This is a beng. Okay. This is 3 roots. Okay. The 3 roots mean below the ground. Okay. The root system. Okay. First meaning roots. Second meaning source of development of things, foundation. The third meaning at first are original. The first meaning guarding, follow. Fifth meaning classic is based. Booklet. Sixth meaning qualifier, volume. Seventh meaning adjunct belong to the parties. Eighth meaning in a current. Beng. This is beng. We already talked about this beng, but with a different tone. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching.